Hi DIYers, Joe from Alarm Grid, and today we're going to show you how to pair an SP2 keypad to a GC3 system. Now, before you start, the GC3 system, it's recommended to have it on firmware version 3.1 or higher. You can enroll the keypad on an earlier version of the firmware with the system. It's just not as easy, and it may give you some headaches when you're trying to do it. The SP2 keypad, it's a great keypad. It's fairly basic in the functions that it can do. This is it right here. It looks very similar to the system. It has a nice bright color touchscreen, but the only things that the SP2 keypad can really do are arming, disarming, zone bypasses, shows you the troubles on the system, and other basic stuff like that. There's another version of, there's another wireless keypad available for the GC3 called the SP1. That keypad is going to be able to show you the forecast, and you're also going to be able to control your automation devices from that keypad. So if you are looking for something that's more full-fledged, maybe for a control option in your bedroom or an office where you do need to be able to control the different stuff around your house, the SP1 is going to be a better keypad for that application. The SP2 is great if you just need a functional keypad somewhere in the house that looks great, sits on the wall, it has that touchscreen color look, and it works just fine with the system. Now, enrolling it is a little strange because there's one menu that we're actually not going to follow the instructions on and just hit enter to go through. When you do enroll it, be sure to look out for this one little hiccup, or else you may get in a situation where you can't figure out how to enroll the keypad and you'll get frustrated. So we're going to point that out to you today. As you can see, the keypad, the first thing that we have to do with it is we have to join it to the same Wi-Fi network as we have the system on. So right here is our Wi-Fi network selection. I'm going to pick the network, and then I'm going to enter the passcode. And as you can see, we're connecting. So now the menu is asking to punch in the IP address of the GC3 system. So if we go back to our GC3, we're going to click on the 2 gig symbol. We're going to enter the installer code to go into the installer toolbox. And then right here in your network settings, click wireless. And then you're going to want to pick the network that you're connected to. Right here, it's going to display the IP address that the system has. So this says 206. So that's what we have to enter in the keypad. So if we head back over here, we're going to enter 206 and then check to confirm. This is the menu that I was pointing out or explaining before. It says enter the pairing key from the master panel. If we look at the actual panel, actually, pardon me, before it's going to pair to the panel, we have to get the panel into pairing mode. This menu, we're still in the wireless network menu, so we're going to back out. We're going to back out again. We're going to back out one more time. We're still in installer toolbox. Right here, you're going to scroll down and then go to system pairing. And then you're going to click this little plus button up here to pair a device. Now the system is in listening mode and it's ready to pair with the keypad. And as you can see, you can enter the IP address on the keypad from the system, and the keypad will wait for you to go to the next step. So now that the system is in listening mode, the keypad is prompting us for a pairing key, but we don't have a pairing key to enter. So what do? All that you have to do is just click the check mark to confirm. The keypad's going to say it was successfully paired. You click OK. When you see this menu that says system unavailable, this just means that the system is still in programming mode and the keypad isn't able to display its security functions. So on the system, we're just going to click the back arrow. Once we get back on the main screen, you'll see that the keypad does show an emulation of the GC3, and we're able to arm the system right from the keypad if I knew which code to enter. And as you can see, the system is arming stay. That's how you pair a SP2 keypad to a GC3 system. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to give us a call, 888-818-7728. You can also send us an email to support@alarmgrid.com. Head over to our website too, as we have lots of great FAQs and videos on how to do this and other such things with the GC3 and the keypads that work with it. If you did enjoy the video, feel free to subscribe. If you want to see future videos when we do post them, hit the notification button and we'll send you an update when we do so. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.